Let's make some magnet origami. You need some sheets to work with, so make 2 hexagons with 216 magnets each. Take 2 opposing corners and connect them. Pinch and hold the corner while pushing the flat side of the right up into the pinched magnets. We're halfway there. Repeat on the other side, and there you have it, a wonton. This is great practice for making real wontons, but less sticky and there's no delicious filling. Let's move on. Grab the other sheet and hold it with your thumb and forefinger in the middle. With your other hand, grab either side of one of the corners and pinch them together. Continue holding while you use your hand to pinch the opposing corner in the opposite direction. And here is our shape. A tri-corner hat? Oh, I mean, a glorious orchid. Beautiful. Okay, that was fun. Great job, everyone.